Students, today I am going to teach you science of class ninth, chapter number 6, tissues. We have studied in the previous video animal tissues and its two types, epithelial tissue and muscular tissue. In this video, we will learn about remaining two types, connective tissue and nervous tissue. Firstly, I will explain about connective tissue. In this tissue, the cells have large-sized intracellular space filled with a non-living ground substance called matrix secreted by the cells. The matrix has protein fibers. Connective tissue act as binding tissues, though may be modified to help in protection, mechanical support, transportation, etc. On the basis of nature of their matrix, connective tissues are three types. Connective tissues proper, skeletal tissues, and vascular tissues. Connective tissues proper. It has soft matrix and is again of four subtypes: areolar connective tissue, white fibrous connective tissue, yellow fibrous connective tissue, and adipose connective tissue. Areolar connective tissue. In this type of tissue, matrix is transparent, gelatinous, and sticky, and has many types of cells and two types of loosely arranged fibers with space in between fibers. It mainly acts as binding tissues between the organ. The binds bone to bone, muscles to bone, skin to muscles, and also act as packing tissue around blood vessels and nerves. Other types of connective tissues proper. White fibrous tissues. In the white fibrous tissues, matrix is with large number of bundles of thick white fibers, so is highly strong but less elastic. Tendon joins muscles to bone. Yellow fibers connective tissue. Matrix is with large number thick yellow fibers, so is highly elastic. Joins bone to bone. Adipose connective tissues. In this tissue, matrix is with large number of oval or rounded fat cells having fat droplets. It acts as shock absorber and fat reservoir. Skeletal connective tissue. It is with dense and mineralized matrix and forms the endoskeleton of the vertebrates, which protects the vital organ of the body and forms supporting framework of the body. Two types of skeletal tissue are cartilage and bone. Cartilage. Basic structure of hyaline cartilage. Its matrix is glycoproteinous and is secreted by oval-shaped chondroblasts present in groups of 2 or 4, each present in a lacuna. Hyaline cartilage is most abundant type of cartilage and is found at the ends of limb, bones, and sternum, in pinna of ear, nasal septum, larynx, trachea, and bronchi. Cartilage provides mechanical supports and flexibility, so acts as shock absorber. Bone. Matrix of bone is formed of both organic matter and inorganic matter. Minerals provide hardness to the bone. Functions of bone. Bones form major part of endoskeleton of bony fishes to mammals, a supporting framework and shape to the body. These protect certain vital organs like heart, lung, brain, etc. These act as storehouse of calcium and phosphorus. Vascular connective tissues. It has fluid and fiber matrix. Two types of vascular tissues, blood and lymph. First, blood. It is red vascular connective tissue. Blood is formed of two components, plasma and blood corpuscles. Plasma helps in transportation of nutrients, wastes, gases, hormones, and lactic acid. Fibrinogen and prothrombin protein help in blood clotting at the injuries. Globulin protein act as antibodies and provide immunity. Blood corpuscles. These are the cells floating in the blood plasma and are of three types: erythrocytes, leukocytes, and platelets. Hemoglobin RBCs helps in transportation of O2 as well as CO2. O2 97 to 99% and CO2 23%. Now I will explain about nervous tissue. It is a compound tissue and is formed of four types of cells, out of which neurons are most important type of cells. It forms brain, spinal cord and nerves. These have the power of excitation and conduction of nerve impulse. It is formed of four type of cell. First, neurons. A neuron is longest cell of body and is structural and function unit of nervous system. Second, neuroglia. These are non-nervous irregular cells present between the neurons in brain, spinal cord, ganglia and retina of eye. These act as packing cells between the neurons. Third, neurosecretory cells of brain secrete neurohormones. Last, ependymal cells are ciliated cuboidal cells with line the cavities of brain and spinal cord. I hope students all you understood this chapter tissues. What is tissues and its type and its function.